welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to know if someone blocked me on Messenger. So to do that, let me show you how you can know it. So to tell if someone blocked you on Messenger, send them a message or check it if shows delivered. And if it doesn't show any delivery status, let me show you. Like if I just send any message, like here you can see this delivery status, it is currently sent. But if the status is not like delivered or something like that, then you can know that that person have blocked you. And then there goes another one. There will be no read receipts. Like if you have sent a message and they haven't seen your message, there will be if they have seen your message, there will be seen in the place of sent. So there might be no read receipts. And the last one is inability to see profile updates. You can no longer see their profile picture or recent updates. It could indicate a block. Like you can't see their profile picture and their recent updates, like whatever they have posted and or anything, or their notes on Messenger. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just know they have blocked you on your Messenger. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.